Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the currency within your MetaMask wallet application account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MetaMask wallet application on your device. And once it is opened up, you will be asked to enter your password to log in. Just type in your wallet account password and then tap on the unlock button and you will now be logged in to your wallet account right away and taken into the home page. Now you will see that the amount that is in your wallet is always displayed using the default currency, which is US dollars. So if you wish to change this, then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on General. From the General tab, you will see Currency Conversion at the very first option. Just click on the drop-down menu from the selected currency and you will now be able to use from the list of various different base currencies that are available. Go ahead and click on whichever currency you wish to use and this will now be set up as your active one. Now if you go back to your wallet, you will notice that all of your amounts are displayed within this currency that you have just chosen. And you can go back into this setting at any point of time in order to change it in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the currency within your MetaMask wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.